Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Gradle credentials for private artifact repos step by step clearly. First, navigate to your project's root directory. Open the terminal or command prompt. Make sure you are in the correct workspace. Create a new file named gradle.properties. You can do this by using a command like touch gradle.properties. Open the gradle.properties file in your preferred text editor. Inside the file, you need to define your repository credentials. Add the following lines for username and password. Replace your underscore username with your actual username. Replace your underscore password with your actual password. This is how it should look. Repository.username equals your underscore username. Repository.password equals your underscore password. If you are using an encrypted password, you will need to save the changes to the gradle.properties file. Next, locate your build.gradle file. Open the build.gradle file. In the repositories section, add your private artifact repository URL. For example, you can use maven URL https://your.private.repo/URL, then include the credentials in the repositories block. Use the following syntax: credentials, username equals find property, repository.username, password equals find property, repository.password. This links. Now save the changes made to the build.gradle file. Back in the terminal or command prompt, run a Gradle task to test. You can use a simple command like Gradle build. This will attempt to authenticate against your private repository. If the credentials are correct, the build should proceed without issues. If there are errors, double-check your username and password entries. Ensure that the repository URL is correct. You have now successfully authorized with Gradle credentials for private artifact repos. This process allows you to securely access private artifacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.